Oftentimes when we think of decluttering, it can feel a smidge overwhelming. In theory, we want our homes to be clean and tidy, but how do we actually make that happen without all the anxiety? Let's jump into 7 decluttering tips that I use to declutter stress-free. The first tip is incredibly low stress, and it is to get rid of just one item a day. Especially if you're brand new to decluttering, you probably have a lot of stuff. The big picture of all of those things in itself can make you be like,
nope, not gonna do it. It's way too much.
Try starting with one random item a day. Now you might be thinking, oh, that's not that much. But how much have you gotten rid of thus far? One item a day is 365 items a year. And that is a whole lot. This is a great way to get over that procrastination hump we all experience when a project just seems so huge. Next, hello 60-second purge. Now I work with clients all the time, and especially you busy mamas, a common thing I hear is,
Margo, I don't have time to declutter.
My response is always the same. Do you have 60 seconds to spare a day? Do you? The answer is yes, you probably do. So with that said, grab a box, a bin, or a bag and walk around your home collecting items you don't need and don't use. These should be easy and quick tosses. No thinking about it, pondering its sentimental value, quick wins, quick swipes, quick get this out of my house strategy. Now for tip number 3, let's level up just a little bit. Tip number 3 is to declutter in 15-minute increments. Ladies, 15 minutes of focused, uninterrupted decluttering is actually a long time. It might not seem like much, but if you have speed and momentum, you can declutter 1 to 2 drawers easily. I actually love this method of bite-sized decluttering because you see the results and it's not incredibly overwhelming. You can choose a drawer in your kitchen. You can choose a shelf in your kitchen cabinet. You can choose a shelf in a closet. You can declutter a dresser drawer, or heck, half a dresser drawer, or a nightstand, or maybe underneath the bathroom sink. I encourage you to set a timer, especially if you're somebody who procrastinates. Having an end in sight makes the process a more enjoyable experience. And heck, you might want to go past the 15 minutes. If you're getting value from this video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. Tip number 4, make a to-do list. A beginner decluttering mistake is not having a to-do list, which leads to aimless decluttering. No list, no schedule, no system equals no progress. A little here, a little there, a little all over the place can make us feel unaccomplished. And if we're not seeing results, where's the motivation to continue decluttering other areas of our home? By not finishing what we started, we are wasting energy and time and seeing very little progress. Create a simple decluttering plan that serves as your guide and prevents you from being distracted. For a step-by-step guide on how to create a decluttering plan, you can check out this video here. Also, I will be hosting a live free workshop teaching you how to create your personalized decluttering plan in the new year. You can see more information in the description. Decluttering tip number 5, start with the easy stuff first. Don't bite off more than you can chew. If you are new to decluttering or haven't been successful in the past, start with the easy stuff first. An underwear drawer, your nightstand, a shelf in the linen closet. Avoid the sentimental stuff. That just puts a total kibosh on decluttering. Is kibosh a word? Don't take on hours of decluttering in a day. But know that decluttering takes time. It's about consistency, it's about dedication, and it's about finishing projects that you started. Baby steps are a great way to flex those decluttering muscles. We naturally will get better over time. Number 6, get yourself an accountability partner. When we talk about stress-free, feeling supported, improving that self-esteem and that confidence, nothing works better than having an accountability partner. This is one of my favorites because it works so well. Pair up with a buddy. Having an accountability partner motivating you, keeping you in check and on track, especially on those days when you just don't want to do it, will keep you decluttering. Knowing that your girlfriend is literally gonna hit you up and be like, girl, send me a pic of what you decluttered. Or with a text that just says, progress? This forces you to produce. You don't wanna be like, shoot, I did nothing. More than that, having support and motivation is a wonderful thing that keeps us on track. Accountability partners can be anybody. It could be a friend, it could be a neighbor, it could be a family member. It can even be somebody like me who's a decluttering coach. Speaking of which, if you're interested in hiring a coach for a little motivation, support, and guidance, you can see more details in the description. Offer your friends dinner, drinks, a cake, whatever helps out. I don't know, maybe a bottle of wine. Finding a friend who also wants to declutter so you guys can actually be each other's accountability partner is even better. How to declutter stress-free tip number 7 is to celebrate your progress. Ladies, we don't celebrate enough stuff. We celebrate everything our kids do and support our partners and friends and loved ones with their big and small accomplishments. Yet we finally declutter the kitchen counter and we're like, what will I make for dinner? That has got to stop. Celebrate every step, big or small, that's leading you to the clean and tidy, peaceful home that you desire. Celebrate and reward yourself too. A cup of coffee, getting your nails done, 30 minutes outdoor time, whatever, as long as it associates decluttering with something positive. The more you celebrate, the more we build up confidence and self-esteem and motivation in the process. I hope this video provided you with a variety of different options how you can begin or continue to declutter while eliminating your stress levels and the overwhelm that's associated with going through our things. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. As always, good luck on your decluttering journey and always remember to be good to yourselves.